Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have just started the challenge. Of course there came some few issues, I will get to it a little later. But we have started the challenge and the robot we are going to use, you find link below the video. And if you want to join the fighters, you find also link below the video to them. So let's get to it. Let's see if I can open this one here. So here you can see I have the account just right now. It just got activated and I started with 6,000. You can see the robot already have made a little profit. The thing here is that you start with 6,000 and if you managed in 60 days, that means 2 months, to grow the account to reach a certain level. Let's see which level that was again. We go here, we go to funded and we go to funded programs. Then I have the aggressive one. I chose that one because I rather want to have a little better leverage for later on, so I did choose the aggressive one. So we have the 24,000 one here. So we basically have a profit target of $720. So that's what we need to reach in 30 days. So right now I have started up the robot. We can take a look at that. Let me open it. Let's close this one here, and here we are. So now I'll show a little more here. So you can see right now we have an open trade. It's currently running a little in minus. That's completely okay. As you see now that we have already closed a trade also. And now you wonder why we are running only with 0.02 lots. The reason, here is the issue I got. This was not the robot I was planning to use for this challenge. I had prepared another robot for this challenge. So basically now I was just thrown into to get this to work. So I need to work a little with this robot before I turn it up so we reach our target. But just right now I just run it to see that everything works correctly, and I will basically calculate which type of lot size and things I will use to reach the target. Because we need to reach little more than $700, and we are going to do that. But like I said, we need to take it slowly so we see which type of limits. I'm back testing a different type of setups and things so we get everything to work correctly. So the robot we are using is Forex Diamond. You can get this robot, like I said, you find the link below the video. And we are running this one now on 4 pairs. As you can see, we are on GBP USD, Euro against dollar, dollar against Swiss francs, and we are on USD GPY. So all this we are going to push up a little more. You can see now we are very close to hit the take profit level here right now. So if we had this on a higher lot size, we would already have made some money here, because you can see we are already closed our trade. So let's go to history here. You see here we have already closed one on USD GPY. So this robot is working amazingly also. So like I said, we are going to work with this a little before we turn it up, so we get the most out of this robot. And what I need to say, when I started, I have heard a lot of many different type of funded accounts that the spread is super high. Here, for this one, is super tight. It's like almost not existing. So when you open a trade, you start in zero, because if you have a broker that start a lot in minus when you open a trade, then you are doomed to be bad. So you start losing money instead. But this broker is amazing, so I'm very happy with the choice that I chose to go with the fivers for this challenge. So I will update you with a video tomorrow, how we're doing. Maybe we start to spice up the lot size a little, so we earn a little more for each trade. So with that, have a perfect day.